Welcome everyone. Today we are making a recipe originally from Venice, Risi e Bisi, which means rice with peas. This is a variation of the original recipe, but it's super tasty, easier to make, and actually with lower calories. Let's see what we need for 2 people. About a quarter of a pound of any type of rice you like, a quarter of an onion, half pound of peas. These are frozen, very easy to find at any supermarket. We need some vegetable broth for this recipe. The easiest way is to use a teaspoon of vegetable bouillon paste or 1 cube. Extra virgin olive oil and a bunch of Parmigiano Reggiano. Don't forget to subscribe and let's start cooking. Let's start preparing our onion. Here I'm actually cutting half onion, but 1/4 of an onion will suffice. Chop it in relatively small pieces, like I'm doing here. Perfect. For this preparation, we will need some broth. So let's put 2 saucepans on the stove. One with 2 cups of water for the broth, and in the other one we start warming up some extra virgin olive oil. While we wait for the water to boil, add the chopped onion to the olive oil. Reduce the heat as we don't want to burn our onion. Let the onion cook a little and add the bouillon to your hot water. When the onion is getting almost transparent, we can add our peas to the onion and mix. It is now time to add our rice to the peas and mix well. Just like this. Perfect. Add broth until you fully cover the rice. This part of the recipe is very similar to what we do when we're making risotto. We cover the rice with broth, and when it evaporates, we add more. Put a lid on your saucepan to start cooking the rice. Keep cooking until your rice is done to your taste. How do we know the rice is cooked? Well, we taste it. If it is too hard, we keep cooking. It is really a 4-step process. Add the broth, stir, let it evaporate, taste your rice, and keep doing that. If you run out of broth, just use some hot water and you'll be fine. When your rice is almost done, switch the heat off and add Parmigiano Reggiano. Mix energically to create a nice cream. And move your saucepan away from the heat to avoid that Parmigiano gets stuck at the bottom of your pan. Cover with a lid and let it sit there for 3 to 5 minutes. This rest phase allows your rice to cook a little more and to gather more flavor. It is now time to serve your rice. Put it on a plate, sprinkle with some parsley if you like it, a quick round of extra virgin olive oil, and buon appetito. Enjoy your Risi e Bisi and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you next time.